slacks off. He still does his nails.
Well, your papa taught Nancy's to
See you later.
Bye, Mr.
Hi,
Fernandez.
Mr. Fernandez.
Are you okay, kid?
Having work troubles? If only you had someone around who you could lean on.
Please don't start again.
It'd be kind of nice to have grandkids. What do I say now?
You read the neurologist's report, and he says the scan was clear. I don't have to see your x-rays, really.
Something's very wrong. Two men were thrown out of a bar just for wearing their headscarves. The world is crazy. Have I fallen into a black hole or maybe a parallel universe?
You think so?
Or am I just going nuts?
To me, you seem entirely lucid. If I ask you to tell me who our president is, sorry. You tell me your name, but if you couldn't, I'd refer you to a psychiatrist.